I lie awake all night,
Sansa.
thinking about how they died.
Oh, you can't hear me cry. See my dreams.
Joffrey. He promised he would be merciful and he cut my father's head off. And he said that was mercy. And he took me up on the walls and made me look at it. He's a monster.
Love no one but your children.
Stupid little girls. Stupid dreams you never learn.
I can take you with me. Take you to Winterfell.
I'll be safe here.
I won't hurt you.
They beat me, they humiliated me, they married me to the imp. I had no friends in King's Landing. He really hurts me every night. And the snows fall and the white winds blow. The lone wolf dies, but the pack survives.
I want to fight for Winterfell, Lady Sansa.
You're going to die tomorrow, Lord Bolton. Sleep well. You betrayed my family!
I'm sorry!
I'm Sansa Stark of Winterfell. This is my home, and you can't frighten me. Your words will disappear. Your house will disappear. Your name will disappear. All memory of you will disappear. I can still feel it. I can still feel what he did in my body standing here right now.
I never could have survived what you survived.
Winterfell is our home. It's ours. It belongs to our family. We have to fight for it. The North will remain an independent kingdom, as it was for thousands of years. Without Littlefinger and Ramsay and the rest, I would have stayed a little older in my life.
Lady Stark. You may survive us yet.